the luminaire housing can be easily opened by operating a lever. Before replacing the light source, disconnect the plug connection. Once the plug connection is disconnected, the light source can be effortlessly pushed out of the luminaire socket. To insert a new light source, follow the reverse order. Pay close attention to the feed-through and the subsequent connection of the plug-in connection. The Linear IndiviLED 2 is also available in an indirect lighting variant. Just like before, begin by disconnecting the plug-in connection. The light source can then be pushed out of the socket and removed. When inserting the new light source, ensure once again that the plug connection is guided through the opening and that the light source is correctly placed in the socket. Afterward, connect the illuminant to the luminaire using the plug-in connection. In addition to the light source, the driver can be easily replaced. Loosen the two fixing screws with a screw and then disconnect the wiring of the driver unit. After wiring the new unit, insert it into the screws and metal plate and secure it. Finally, close the light housing and lock it using the lever mechanism. Easy, fast, and safe component replacement with our new Linear IndiviLED 2 as our first product of our Everloop family. Everloop means convenient replaceability of light sources and LED driver.